Welcome back again, but English here. We're going to harvest our malunggay because the tree is really getting bigger and bigger and always windy here. And also the leaves is already getting yellow, so before it's really getting all the leaves, we need to pick them all and make it them dry. And after when it's dry, we're going to make it powder. So anything you can put this in your viand juices, juice, etc. This is really healthy. Malunggay known as healthy, lots of calciums. So yeah, I plant her in Australia, and this is the second time we're going to make a powder. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
It's like litson baboy.
No, just no, you can push it or turn it around, whatever. I was going to already tell you that while I was carrying it on my shoulder.
Imagine that you have love. You can feel talaga. Wow, wait, push mo.
Look at my leaves.
There's more? It's like, I'm so, it's so heavy. It's a
A
right
green
here.
bug.
Barton.
Papa!
It was full. There it is.
Okay.
Oh, it's so cool. Oh, good. There, enough. Okay, video, pictures or video? Pictures or video? It's alright. You can, you can cut it.
Right?
This is video.
Okay. What do you want to do? Picture a picture.
Okay, wait.
Picture's a better quality.
Okay, picture first. Wait. Alright, smile, Malungay man.
Okay?
Yes.